Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am here to discuss on World Environment Day 2025. Introduction of World Environment Day. Every year, World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. This is the biggest international day for the environment, celebrated for bringing people all over the world to share their common missions of safeguarding and restoring our planet, empowering government, business, communities, and individuals to drive sustainable change. This day is celebrated for creating awareness about the environmental problems such as air pollution, plastic pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, illegal wildlife trade, sea level increase, food insecurity, global warming, climate change, deforestation, wild forest fire, land degradation, desertification, droughts, and so on. History of World Environment Day. The United Nations Conference on Human Environment (UNCED), also called as the Stockholm Conference on Human Environment, held in Stockholm, Sweden from June 5 to 16 in 1972, was the first United Nations UN conference that focused on international environmental issues. As a result of a Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment, the United Nations Environmental Programme (UNEP) was founded on 5th June 1972 in Nairobi, Kenya, as a coordinating body for the United Nations environmental activities. In a Stockholm Conference, decision is taken to celebrate the foundation day of UNEP, that is 5th June, as World Environment Day. The first World Environment Day is celebrated in 1973 under the slogan of Only One Earth. Each year, World Environment Day is hosted by different countries in which official celebrations take place. First Environment Day celebration was hosted by Switzerland in 1973. This year, World Environment Day 2025 celebration will be hosted by South Korea. This is the second time that the Republic of Korea is hosting global observation for World Environment Day. Objectives of World Environment Day: to raise awareness about environmental issues such as different types of environmental pollutions, global warming, marine pollution, climate change, etc., as awareness is the most important weapons to fight against environmental issues and for saving the earth. To encourage communities to take action toward protecting the environment, to help in advocating for policy change and to promote changes in environmental policies as local, national and international levels, to encourage young people and communities in safe environmental activities so that danger to the environment can be minimized, to educate people about environmental challenges and suggesting them control measures for saving the earth from the environmental problems, to inspire the people to coexist harmoniously with nature so the green future can be fostered, to promote international cooperation among countries to address global environmental issues which help in encouraging countries to work together and share knowledge, to act as drive change in consumption patterns so that no harm to our environment may take place, to bring together millions of people from across the world, engaging them in the efforts to protect and restore the earth, to encourage the adoption of new approaches of protecting environment such as reducing the resources consumption, promoting greener models, enhancing sustainability and protecting natural habitat, etc. Theme of World Environment Day. Every year, annual World Environment Day is celebrated according to a specific theme. So this year, for raising awareness about plastic pollution, UN has declared the theme of present World Environment Day as Beat Plastic Pollution. This year, this day is celebrated to spotlight the growing scientific evidence on the impact of plastic pollution and to drive momentum for adopting 4R for plastic pollution reduction. These 4R are refuse, reduce, reuse and recycle related with plastic use. A global plastic pollution treaty is made in 2022 for ending plastic pollution. So this year, Environment Day celebration will also reinforce the global commitment made in 2022. The Republic of Korea will host this day World Environment Day celebration, as Jeju Island of South Korea has started initiative named 2040 Plastic Zero Island for showing their commitment for eliminating plastic waste and promoting sustainable living. This initiative aim is to phase out single-use plastic by 2040 through strict regulation, improved waste management, and innovative recycling system. For sharing these innovative ideas with other countries for reducing the plastic pollution globally, the South Korea will host this day World Environment Day celebration. Introduction of plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is one of the type of pollution which is caused by the contamination of the environment with plastic waste in the form of discarded plastic items and debris. As plastic do not degrade easily, so it accumulates in the landfills and in water bodies such as river, lakes, oceans and seas, causing harm to the environment. It severely impacts the human health, wildlife and overall ecosystem. Nowadays, it has become a big global problem as the world produces more than 430 million tons of plastic annually, 2/3 of which are short-lived products that soon become waste, filling the ocean and often enter into the human food chain in different ways. Effect of plastic pollution. Every year it is estimated that 19 to 23 million tons of plastic waste leak into aquatic ecosystems, polluting lakes, rivers and seas located nearly every terrestrial location. In the water bodies, plastic waste kill marine animals directly through entanglement in objects such as fishing gear and ingested by marine animal as mistaken for food. Due to sunlight, imbrittle plastic present in water break into microplastic and affect the zooplankton and a small animal present in the water. On land, plastic in the form of bag, film and other items cause blockage in drainage system, causing flooding of sewage which may result into the spread of different diseases due to unhygienic conditions. Sometimes some animal or birds eat the plastic mistakenly and their intestinal system got blocked and result into the death of them. Some compound used in making plastic less brittle such as phthalate, bisphenol A and polybrominated diphenyl ether (PBDE) act as anti-hormonal agent in human, animal or birds, causing hormonal disorder by disrupting endocrine system. Also, the burning of plastic waste releases toxic gases into the atmosphere and resulting into climate change and air pollution. In this way, we can say that plastic pollution is a serious global concern as it can alter habitats and natural process, reducing ecosystems' ability to adapt to climate change, directly affecting millions of people's livelihoods, food production capabilities, and social well-being. Solution of plastic pollution. One of the solutions of this problem of plastic pollution is to focus on preventing improper disposal or even on limiting the use of certain plastic items. Also, 4R strategy of plastic use should be adopted. The strategy of replacing plastic with eco-friendly alternative should be adopted, as non-biodegradable plastics such as microplastic cause air pollution, enter into the human body, bird and animal in the form of dust during inhalation and may cause different health risks to them. So the use of non-biodegradable plastic should be avoided and the only biodegradable plastic should be used. Also, the zero waste philosophy should be promoted for reducing the plastic pollution. The people have to engage in clean-up projects by participating in beach cleanup, river restoration or neighborhood cleanup for reducing the plastic going into river, ocean and into the drainage. Theme of World Environment Day 2025. This year the theme of World Environment Day is Beat Plastic Pollution. Beating plastic pollution is necessary for achieving Sustainable Development Goal by 2030, which include action of climate change, sustainable production and consumption of natural resources, protection of seas and oceans, and repairing ecosystems and retaining biodiversity. So this year, with the partnership of United Nations Environment Program UNEP, the Republic of Korea will host this Environment Day celebration for leading the international efforts to prevent plastic pollution. On this day, they will mobilize communities worldwide to implement and advocate for solution of beating or reducing plastic pollution. Conclusion: as the plastic is causing harm both to land and water bodies, so it is a serious concern for us to reduce plastic pollution. As more than 430 million tons of plastic waste is produced annually, so for achieving sustainable development goal by 2030, we have to end up the plastic waste to the minimal level. So this year on the World Environment Day, we have to take oath for beating the plastic pollution. Also, we have to take pledge for reducing or beating plastic pollution by adopting the strategy of wise use of plastic and saying no to the non-biodegradable plastic. Before using any plastic, we have to rethink before use whether it will be harmful for us or to the environment or not. Also, we have to follow the strict rules of our country made for reducing plastic pollution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.